Hey, what's going on, guys? You might say, what are we looking at? So right now we're looking at a brand new TV I got. As you can see on the screen, it says it's a TCL Roku TV 32-inch LED smart TV 720p with 3 HDMI ports and 1 USB port. So obviously this is just a screensaver you guys can see, which is pretty cool. Comes with little robots in the background fighting crocodiles or Godzilla on the right. But this was a great priced TV for only $130 on sale on Amazon. I thought it'd be a great TV for another bedroom. So let's go back on, guys, and I'm going to show you a little overview of this TV. And again, this doesn't compare to the Samsung I have, but for half the price, comes with Roku pre-installed. I mean, you can't go wrong. A lot of bang for your buck. So let me go in settings first, guys, and I'll just show you some basic stuff. So obviously, you're going to have the home screen featured free. This is going to tell you some top entertainment that's always free. From here, you can just scroll to the right, which is pretty cool. If you want to learn how to ride a dragon, I mean, that looks like a movie on it. If you need some extra blood or you need someone to take it, I think that's what that movie's about. And you scroll down with music, Shark Week. I think Mike Tyson was doing something with Shark Week. He's actually fighting sharks nowadays. I'd rather see him fight Holyfield in another match, but that's another story. And again, these are all just featured free. You can go through them all. You got some free trials. You got some Espanol, if no habla inglés, daytime TV. Looks like Jerry Springer's still on TV. What's going on over there? All right, so let's go back, guys, before we go into that too much. Let me see, guys. So, latest news. You guys can get all the way up to your current events. Check out the weather. My feed, which will be, certain things catered towards me. Basic search, guys. We can search some things. But here's the settings, which is probably important to you guys. And as soon as you buy this TV, guys, you turn it on. First thing you're going to do is it's going to connect to your Wi-Fi, which is great. Easy to do. Put in your username and password. Bam. Then from there, it's actually going to do a software update. And it's going to automatically download the newest software for your TV. And then from there, it's just a matter of doing whatever you want. Whatever kind of apps you want to download, whether it's Netflix, whether it's YouTube, Pandora, you can do all that. And this was pretty easy procedure, which I'm surprised. And that's why I decided to go back and talk about it and show you guys. And again, now you can go back in the network if you have to and do that. If you have any remotes or other devices, you can set that up. Themes, this was just something pretty cool. You can actually, buy free themes and wallpaper. If you want to change the different looks in your background, which is pretty neat. Maybe you want a Western background. I thought that looked pretty cool. Kind of remind me of maybe like a little Aaron Black from Mortal Kombat going the Wild Wild West. And this is all pretty cool just to jazz up your TV, how it looks. Because again, we're cutting the cord, but we want to enjoy as much as possible, and different wallpapers and screensavers, all that good stuff. I was actually pretty impressed with these, so I'll show you guys some more. But they even have like Star Trek theme ones, which are pretty cool. They have spooky ones if you like getting scared in the dark, if you watch TV in the dark. More Star Trek, haunted houses, Doctor Who. Doctor Who, UFC. All pretty cool, different stuff, which I think is pretty neat, pretty creative. And I always wanted a Roku TV. I know they're number one. They have the most apps available. I even own stock in Roku. All right, so going back to settings, guys. What else we got here? We got, if you want captions, things like that. Now, I was a little confused or maybe disappointed in the TV picture settings. This seems like the only picture settings you can do, which is the brightness. Make it brighter, bright, normal, dark, darker. All depends on the room and the lighting you like. Same thing with live TV. So I didn't see any other settings, which is a little disappointing. But at the same time, I thought the picture quality was great right out of the box, to tell you the truth. All the stations look great. They're in HD. So couldn't complain about that. TV inputs. It tells you if you want to do live TV, if you have an antenna, you can pop that bad boy in and you can watch your local channels. And again, this comes with actually 3 HDMI ports, which that's pretty impressive, guys, for $130 TV. So you can put in your DVD player. You can obviously hook up cable if you have cable from this. It also comes with one USB port, which is pretty cool. So that means you can put a flash drive in there if you want. And load stuff from your computer or movies and videos and play it on here as well. Audio, you can have some different audio settings. Parental controls, if you guys want to punch in some digits there, keep the kiddies away. Home screen, and again, that's just altering your different stuff, what you want on your home screen, whether it's the latest news, if you want to hide it, show it, the store, things like that. Payment, this is where they try and get more money from you, but that's okay, guys. If you actually want to, download or rent some new movies or whatever, or if you want to pay for an app, you can do that, but you definitely do not have to. Don't enter your credit card. It's not necessary unless you want to do more. Privacy, help. Guess this will give you some tips and tricks, which are always good. And then it just goes to the setting and location. All the basic general information here is telling you what TV it is. Again, it's the 32-inch TLC, tender loving care, or no, TLC probably stands for something else. Your zip code, all this kind of stuff was entered when I first got the laptop. And I'm just showing you guys this now, just basic stuff. Let's see, guys, anything else in here? Hola, hello, ciao. Can you do some screen mirroring? That could be interesting. System update, you guys want to check your updates every so often, although again, when you first purchase TV, it does do that, which is pretty cool. Advanced system, if you want to do a factory reset, anything like that. So that's about it, guys, in the basic settings, just to do a little overview. And going back to the home screen, again, I've only downloaded a few apps, but it comes with the Roku Channel, which is absolutely incredible with live TV. It's kind of like having your own cable and streaming and guide. And I will go into that, but probably in a second video. And then Netflix I downloaded already. YouTube, I'm good to go there. Tubi TV, you guys should know that's really good. CBS, if you like news, you got a 24/7. It's pretty much live, or give or take 30 minutes. Your Prime videos, and a lot of these are free. Pandora, HBO will be a paid one. Once I hook up all the account information, I'll get to watch HBO on here. And then obviously you can download other ones. But just to give you an example, I don't know, guys. We'll go on Tubi TV, show you that. One of my favorite free apps. You will get commercials, as you guys probably know, with a lot of these type of things. You do have some commercials, but it's worth it to watch free movies. So let's see what's on the Tubi TV, guys. How we doing over here, huh? Okay, guys, so it's just going to show us right off the bat some featured stuff for the fall. Actually, that's the name of the show or movie, The Fall. Sea Biscuits, if you get hungry. And that's about a famous horse, I think. It says the horse was depressed. Or no, it was during the Great Depression era. That was actually a good movie, though. I'm just joking. Seabiscuit. Magic Mike, I don't think so. So these are like the featured ones, and they got some recommended shows and things. See, most popular. See, you got free Jason Statham movie, Parker, to the left. Got some other things. You can just scroll through and see what they have. Brick Mansions, Stolen, Desperado. That was pretty cool classic film there. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Southpaw, if you're a left-handed boxer, you might get into that. In different categories. Family movies. There's Muppets from Space. Muppets movies are always fun. You can watch these kind of movies with the kiddies. Again, all free on Tubi TV, guys. Some comedy stuff on here. Classic Going to America, or is that a remake of Going to America? I don't know. Hunger Games. Actually, it looks like a parody. Hungover Games. What's going on with these comedies, guys? They're all parodies or difference. But it's all good. There's all different stuff in here, as you can see. And more action movies. Some horror movies, if you guys like getting scared. That's always a good time. New releases. Pretty good. Documentaries, recently added, romance, westerns, and the list goes on, guys. Even martial arts. We got some Tony Jaa films we can watch for free. That's awesome. There's a Bruce Lee film. We got Fist of Fury, Jet Li. I mean, that's fully loaded if you guys like martial arts movies. And then here's some sci-fi. A lot of good stuff, guys. Here's stuff that's actually not on Netflix, and they let you know that you can only exclusively watch it here. So that's Tubi. Let me just turn one on, guys, give you an example of how these player look. So here's Parker, and it's not Parker Lewis Can't Lose. It's the movie Parker with Jason Statham. Maybe we'll just watch a trailer first, guys. See how this works. I'm going to mute this, guys, for copyright reasons, so the video doesn't get pulled down or something. So I'll try and tell you what's going on here. This guy walks in here. He looks like he's religious, but then a clown actually teams up with him, and they're robbing a place. And it looks like they're looking for, I don't know, some bad stuff. They're tying people up. The clown's not laughing, so they're getting serious. Opening up some safes. Found a lot of money, probably like enough tacos for a year. Jason Statham appeared somewhere. Was he the clown, or was he trying to be funny? And now I locked in the car, but someone has a gun. And now the guy's got something in the back seat. He's looking at someone in the passenger, elbow to the face, maybe a camel clutch in the back seat. Now he's getting some fresh air. He's tired. Figures go for a swim like Superman. Jumps out of the car. This guy's walking straight like he's a tough guy until he probably meets Jason Statham. And Jason Statham just woke up with a bad headache. So I probably just spoiled the whole movie, guys. Sorry, but I don't know. I just kind of got into it. Actually says Bobby Cannavale and Jennifer Lopez are in it too. They're actually pretty cool. Nick Nolte. So that could be a good film. Maybe it's worth watching the rest besides what I told you guys. So yeah, Tubi TV, great. Gonna exit it. But so far, I really like this TV, guys. Easy to download, install apps. Maybe I'll download an app too, guys, to show you how that works. So let's go into search, guys. We want to search some channels, maybe ESPN. That might be something you guys might want to watch or download. So I already saw it coming, which was pretty good. So say we want to install ESPN. You know, you can view screenshots maybe if you're not sure if it's an app you'd want it. It's pretty cool. It kind of shows you everything going on ESPN. Not too bad. So let's go to add channel. Show you guys how easy it is to install and download something. It's adding ESPN at 100%, and there it goes, already on my home screen. Just like that. And let's go to the channel, guys, to show you. You guys remember sports? Sports are still on TV a little bit. I think they have like cornhole and darts or something you guys can watch on ESPN. Maybe some other sports. Actually, basketball is working. They're trying to bring that back in golf. You got some live stuff here, live golf, I guess. Pittsburgh versus New York. I don't know what sport that is, USCL. That's right, they got some soccer going on too. Upcoming events. So some of this is free. Some of it I'm sure you're going to have to pay. But either way, you know, it comes in handy like candy. It can be sweet at times. So that's about it, guys. Any question on this TV, let me know. I will do a second video, which I'm going to record next, which will be on, like I told you, the great Roku Channel, which will give you live channels and TVs all for free. So any questions or comments, guys, leave in the comment box below. I'll put a link in the description where you can purchase this on Amazon. I really recommend it if you're cutting the cord and only want to spend about $130. So if you enjoyed my video, guys, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it with all your friends, and ring that notification bell so you can be the first when you subscribe to my videos. Take it easy. Sayonara. Hasta la vista, baby.